Hello everyone, I am here with a new topic of class 11th Business Studies Chapter 1 Business Nature and Purpose. Our today's topic is business risk. So what is risk? Risk means the possibility of loss in business. In business is called business risk. No business can exist in the market without risk. Many business face daily some type of risk related to the employees, related to the production, related to the raw material. So in simple language, unwanted or unpredictable, unfavorable events happening in the future is called a business risk. Unwanted means we want that type of risk in our during the business activities. So like some examples of business risk. Now today's we are we all are faced of risk in the form of COVID-19, and all types of business face in the pandemic situation of COVID-19, and this situation is faced by related to the workers, related to the production, related to the growth, related to the profit. All types of our business is past 3 months is closed down. So that is the risk of natural risk. So many types of risk are available in during the business activities. Like some examples are uncertainties of demand, uncertainty of receipt of price, fluctuation of price, change in fashion, change in uh, taste of consumers, competitive firms arise in the market, and stopping of production due to the workers. That are the main examples of business risk. Now next move to the next topic is features of business risk. What is the features? First features is essential and unavoidable. Means risk is the essential part of business. It is unavoidable, but it is too essential. No one can escape from risk. Risk can be minimized but cannot be eliminated. It is commonly said that no business can exist without risk. Means in business risk is always available. Second point is uncertainties are the basic cause of risk. Uncertainties means different kinds of uncertainties are available in business, like human uncertainties, natural uncertainties, professional uncertainties that give rise to business risk. Human uncertainties related to strikes, accident, thefts, dishonesty, and the natural uncertainties like uh, flood, earthquake, and the like COVID-19 pandemic situation we all are faced. And professional uncertainties means production, distribution, fluctuation in price level are the uncertainties of business. So next point is profits are reward of business risk. No gain without risk is the slogan of business. And profit is uncertain in every business. Profit is released after payment to various factors of production. So it is not certain since the businessman bear heavy risk, so in return he gets profit. And the business of heavy risk often result in higher profit. Profit is therefore the consideration of bearing business risk. Means there is profit is high, the business is the business situation is very strong, so he may face many types of uncertainties or risk in business. So profit is very essential for growth of business and done throughout the activities of business. Where is no profit, there is no business can exist in the market. After some time the business closed down. Next one is risk differs from business to business. Risk differs from means the degree of risk varies with the size of business. The smaller business has low risk and The large business has high risk, means whereas small business face some types of business risk, whereas the large business, then business related to the growth, stand in the market, and related to the goodwill. There are face many types of business risk. Next one is risk differs from time to time. Risk refers from time to time means the equilibrium of demand and supply affect the risk of business. Means if there are more disturbance in the country, the risk will be greater. During peaceful time, the risk will be minimum. So that are the points of features of business risk. Okay, thank you.